Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to speed up and slow down clips in Clipchamp. So let's say you have a certain video here and you'd like to create a short time lapse. The way you'd want to do this is to speed up the pace of the video. And to access those controls, look to the left hand side of your screen, making sure that whatever clip you would like to manipulate is currently selected. So if it's not selected, just click on it. Make sure there's a border around it, and you should see the menu pop up on the right hand side of your screen. It's at the very bottom underneath speed. Let's go ahead and click that. And here we can manipulate the controls. So let's say we want to make it faster, make this a sort of time lapse, go back and rewind. And as you can see in our timeline, the clip is visibly shorter and more compressed. So if we go ahead and press play, that's what it looks like now. If we want, we can speed it up even faster. And we can also do the same if we want to make the clip slower. So by doing this, the clip gets extended, as you can see. And now it moves pretty much in slow motion. So this is very useful if you have specific parts of your video that you would like to emphasize by slowing it down and having different portions of your video skipped over by speeding them up. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.